Take a look at this. The legendary wave trend indicator is about to get through this red line. We got rejected from this red line back in July. We got rejected again back in April. We got rejected again back in November of 2021. In fact, the last time we got above this red line was right here, back in November 2020. And as soon as we got above this red line, the market exploded to the upside. Is Bitcoin about to experience the same move? Because we haven't gotten above this red line literally since this explosion right here. Do you want to win more trades? Do you want extra income? Do you want to make 5 times more in this bull run? Black Friday blowout, a crazy 79% off, the largest ever discount on my program. Get lifetime access. Watch anytime. Learn at your own speed. If you think my courses are expensive, I agree. But you won't find anything even close to the quality, the results, and the value you get with my program. If you're thinking you want to wait and make more profits and sign up later, stop what you're doing. That's the worst idea ever. Sign up right now and make 5 times more in this bull run. Picture 5 times more money stacked in front of you right now. Don't let that slip away. Sign up now. Use crypto at the checkout to get an extra $600 off. But the clock is ticking. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Again, that's CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Welcome. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. We're on the weekly chart, Bitcoin US dollar index, and we have the legendary wave trend right down below, and we're going to be digging into it. Let's take a look at the wave trend and how you can use it to your advantage, and then we're going to talk about this move right here. So the wave trend is very simple. When the wave trend breaks down below this white line, that usually marks the bottom of the market, and we usually have resistance at this white line precisely during the bear market. So we're in a bear market here, we got rejected from here, and we finally broke above here. So basically you want to buy when the wave trend is below 20 on the weekly chart. All right, you could pull it up right now. You can go to your indicators, wave trend, boom, right? And if you want to know the settings, they're precisely right here. Now, again, 2014, 2015, we got below this white line. That marked the bottom of the market. Now, when do you buy when we're at the bottom of the market? You buy when we get close to this green zone of the wave trend. Whenever we're close to this green zone, that's the time to buy. We were down below this green zone right here, and we got below here at the pinnacle bottom in 2018. We were below this green area here. Amazing time to buy. And most recently, we were below this green line when Bitcoin was at roughly 17K, as we called the bottom, and when we were at 15,500, when we called double bottom. Both of those are in the green zone, and again, that's when you want to buy. If you really want to maximize your money, you want to make substantially more money, you just follow this simple system. Where everybody goes wrong is they're on the 1-hour chart and the 4-hour chart. You would never, ever see this. You would never see areas where you can make substantial money. All the money you can make on the hour chart or the 4-hour chart is pennies compared to what you can make when you look at the bigger picture. And again, that's what my courses are for. If you want to be a day trader, I teach you how to be a day trader. If you want to be a swing trader, I teach you how to be a swing trader in my courses, or you learn my custom hybrid strategy, which again, it's really based on this bigger picture. So here we are down at the bottom. Now, when do you want to take profits? The taking profits is when you get above this red zone up here, right? Anytime we got above this red zone before, that was a good time to take profits. Above this red zone, good time to take profits. Above the red zone, good time to take profits. So you want to think about profits only when you're above the red zone. You want to think about buying only when you're down in the green zone. Now, the key part is this white area. And again, we recently had a double dip. What does that mean? Well, if you look at our cycles, when we are about below this white line, when we get above it, generally we're very bullish and we stay above it. Except for 2019. We got above this white line. We were very bullish, but we couldn't stay above it. This move from our bottom here to here was not sustainable. If you watched our channel at the time, we said it time and time again, repeatedly like a broken record, and everyone got very mad at us. And then we printed a gravestone doji candle at the top. This candle right here, gravestone doji. We covered it right on our channel, and we said this is going to affect a major downturn and catch everybody off by surprise. When we did that, we double dipped, meaning we had started the bull run already, but our wave trend fell back below this white line. We had never done that in the history of Bitcoin at that time. But again, if you fast forward a couple years, we just did that again. What we did is we were here, right? Buying at this green area. Then we went in phase one of the bull here, but we actually double dipped, which means we gave another chance for people to buy, right? What it did back here with our double dip was we fell below here during this turmoil here. And then when we went back above, it was game on. It was time for the market to start moving again. Same here. We dipped below here. We gave people an opportunity like, hey, if you somehow missed out, we're still in phase one of the bull. Wake the hell up, buy here. And again, if you're on the 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, you have no idea what this chart is screaming, right? You're too busy picking up pennies off the ground and instead of picking up bags of cash, right? So here we get above this area, we get out of the double dip, and we're so bullish that we are trying to break into this red area, an area that we have not seen in years. Literally, we have not seen this red area in years. If you go back even to our double top of November 2021, the reason that that double top didn't continue is because we were rejected from this red area and we had a double top. It was a double whammy, trend reversal to the downside. And here we are again, right? We had a high, we had a low, we had a pivot high that was a lower high than our previous, followed up by a lower low. We had a low here, a low here. We're following it up and we're trying to get into this area, but you do not want to see a rejection from this area. You don't want to see it. If we were to get into that area, expect bullishness. I mean, there's no way around it, right? When you look at the charts, things become very, very clear. By the way, can I say Happy Thanksgiving? This is my favorite holiday by a mile. And those of you who have followed my channel for a while, you know that. A lot of the holidays are centered around giving people gifts that they don't need and they don't want, but they like to use to impress people that they don't even like. Instead, this holiday, Thanksgiving, my favorite American holiday, is really centered around eating crazy amounts of food and actually telling people what you're thankful for. There's no ridiculous gift giving of people that don't need or want whatever they have, but they want to show off to people they don't even like. It has nothing to do with the crazy gift culture that we have in America. It's more about just eating delicious food and giving thanks and telling people what you're thankful for. So happy Thanksgiving. No matter which country you are in the world, I want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. Now, what we noticed here with this chart is with our other charts that we showed you, it's highly likely we have just entered phase 2 of the bull, but it's also highly likely in the next 3 or 6 months, we're going to have a surprise correction. That correction will not take us into a bear market. It will just be a very large surprise correction in the midst of a bull. Why? Because we printed candles below this red line. It is not a good sign. But it's likely that we entered phase 2. We showed you the Ethereum chart, which could have some problems. We showed you the brick wall, and here we are today. So phase 2 of the bull should be in full swing, and we should wait for that confirmation from our chart here at the end of the month. We're waiting on that confirmation. But the wave trend, loud and clear, is saying that if we get above this red area, we will see very bullish activity in Bitcoin. So are we going to get above it? You can see our dots printing. We're getting very close. We haven't been above in years. We got close multiple times with very large rejections. What's going to happen next? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. I also want to see comments from my students. If you're a student and you've already taken my courses, I want to hear your honest opinion down below. Where were you before you took my courses? What were you struggling with before? And what are you doing now after my courses? I'm going to read every single one, especially on my Thanksgiving holiday. So I'll see you right back here in the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.
I got stuck in trades because I didn't know what I was doing.
I was just investing my money and just throwing it into the abyss.
I was trading primarily with emotions.
After big losses, I had to start from scratch.
My courses are exactly what you need in your life right now. Figure out when to buy and when to sell. Earn 5 times more in this bull run. This is the largest ever discount in 6 years, but it's only for a limited time. And they'll take about 10 minutes per day in a step-by-step fashion, pure cold hard value that changes lives.
I experienced my first big winning trades, over 100% gain.
I have learned to turn off my emotions and be patient
and have confidence in the crypto market and where it's going.
They give you the approach to deal with everything.
Don't be scared. Take the leap. Do the courses. It'll change your life. It changed mine.
This thing is a game changer. Your transformation happens today. CryptoCrewUniversity.com.